to update your phone number or profile info in KFC account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up and we should be able to update our profile info. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by going to the KFC website or the application according to your country. The KFC website may vary, and once you open it up, what you need to do is you need to log in into your account if you're not logged in. After that, in the top right corner, usually you can find an account option that we can click on, and that should open up our profile section here. And once we open up our profile section, what we can do is we can edit up our details here. So if you want to basically change our phone number, we can find a phone number section that we can update. So we can type in a new phone number that we would like to update, or click on this option called update first. And once we've clicked on that option, we should be able to update our phone number. Go ahead and update it. Similarly, email address, a first name and last name that we can change up. Just go over and type in a new name, and similarly the last name also you can type in the new one. After that, your email address, you can update it, and your phone number as well. You can edit up your details and click on update option to update up your details, and your new info will be updated very easily. And these are the things you can basically update, such as your first name, your last name, email address, and phone number. You can just go over and do so. Some regions may require verification, such as OTP, when changing phone numbers. In certain countries, you might need to contact support if the phone number can't be edited directly. But usually, this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.